Hello students, it is your economics class. Today I will teach you calculation of national income by expenditure method. In this method, we calculate all the expenditure of the country and after adding it, we can find out national income. Now, first of all, we have to define this method. In this method, national income is calculated in terms of expenditure on the purchase of final goods and services produced in the economy during an accounting year. It is also called consumption and investment method or income disposal method because when we estimate national income by expenditure method, we have to find whole expenditure of the country. Final expenditure method, it contains four parts. The first part, private final consumption expenditure. Second part, government final consumption expenditure. Third part, investment expenditure, and fourth part, net export. In first part, private final consumption expenditure, it is expenditure of final goods services by individual and household and non-profit private institutions. Government final consumption expenditure, it means it is expenditure of the on final goods and services by the government like defense personnel or defense services. Investment expenditure, it is expenditure on the purchase of final goods by the producers. It is used in the process of production. It has further divided into two types, fixed investment and inventory investment. Fixed investment contain household investment, investment of private sector producers and investments of government sector, just like investment in hospitals, building roads, which is called public investment. And household sector invest in construction of houses, private sector invest in the purchase of fixed assets. It is known as fixed investment. And inventory investment increase in the stock of the producer unit. It is also called change in stock. Now net export, it is a difference between export and import. Net export is the difference between export and import of a country. After this you have to apply the formula of calculating national income, which I have made for you. You have to write and learn this formula. Private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus government domestic fixed capital formation plus change in stock plus net export. After adding it, we will get GDP at MP. Then you have to subtract depreciation, then net indirect taxes, and after then you have to add net factor income from abroad. Then finally you will get NNP at FC, net national product at factor cost. It is also called national income. Now students, by watching this video again and again, you can easily understand expenditure method to calculate national income. Thank you.